I can read aloud.
I can read aloud.
I can help my friend.
I can help my friend.
I can try new foods.
I can try new foods.
I can solve math problems.
I can solve math problems.
I can send an email.
I can send an email.
I can go for a walk.
I can go for a walk.
I can learn a new language.
I can learn a new language.
I can practice mindfulness.
I can practice mindfulness.
I can make crafts.
I can make crafts.
I can listen to audiobooks.
I can listen to audiobooks.
I can enjoy a picnic.
I can enjoy a picnic.
I can play cards.
I can play cards.
I can draw a map.
I can draw a map.
I can follow directions.
I can follow directions.
I can use a computer.
I can use a computer.
I can ride a roller coaster.
I can ride a roller coaster.
I can set the table.
I can set the table.
I can go shopping.
I can go shopping.
I can research a topic.
I can research a topic.
I can watch the stars.
I can watch the stars.
I can appreciate art.
I can appreciate art.
I can create a scrapbook.
I can create a scrapbook.
I can learn to skateboard.
I can learn to skateboard.
I can go hiking.
I can go hiking.
I can enjoy a sunset.
I can enjoy a sunset.
I can have a picnic.
I can have a picnic.
I can take care of my pet.
I can take care of my pet.
I can give compliments.
I can give compliments.
I can express my feelings.
I can express my feelings.
I can solve riddles.
I can solve riddles.
I can practice yoga.
I can practice yoga.
I can play an online game.
I can play an online game.
I can design a website.
I can design a website.
I can make a video.
I can make a video.
I can lead a group.
I can lead a group.
I can work on my fitness.
I can work on my fitness.
I can explore a museum.
I can explore a museum.
I can enjoy a spa day.
I can enjoy a spa day.
I can play an outdoor game.
I can play an outdoor game.
I can write a diary.
I can write a diary.
I can cheer for my team.
I can cheer for my team.
I can read a book.
I can read a book.
I can write a letter.
I can write a letter.
I can ride a bike.
I can ride a bike.
I can cook dinner.
I can cook dinner.
I can learn new things.
I can learn new things.
I can draw a cartoon.
I can draw a cartoon.
I can make a wish.
I can make a wish.
I can watch a play.
I can watch a play.
I can dream big.
I can dream big.
I can share my ideas.
I can share my ideas.
I can take a deep breath.
I can take a deep breath.
I can enjoy my hobbies.
I can enjoy my hobbies.
I can help others.
I can help others.
I can laugh with friends.
I can laugh with friends.
I can embrace challenges.
I can embrace challenges.
I can swim.
I can swim.